So, hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the pharmaceutical chemistry jobs. Okay, its scope, career, and other prospects. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss here pharmaceutical. What is pharmaceutical chemistry? Okay, so pharmaceutical chemistry is a larger field of medicinal chemistry. Okay, and mainly it is focused to develop and evaluate new and better drugs. Okay, for healthcare industries. Okay, so this area mainly focused how where drug development and discovery by concentrating on creating new synthetic drug compounds. Okay, so first of all you should be know about synthetic drug compounds. So actually if you are chemistry background student, then I think you should be understand what I am saying. So mainly drugs, suppose that paracetamol की बात करते हैं, if you talk about the paracetamol, so it have a definite chemical structure, and if you modify this structure, these called new drugs. Okay, so mainly these types of concept approach have been done by the pharmaceutical chemist. Okay, so mainly pharmaceutical chemistry comprise or reveals drug development and studies of drugs. Okay, how a new drug is developed, and regarding the study of drugs. Okay, what is the nature of drugs, and what is either drug is acidic or basic. So all the you can say physiochemical studies is done in these areas. Okay, so other studies is also done in this field, like the drug discovery. Okay, metabolism. Okay, metabolism की बात कर, if you talk about metabolism, so it is a two types of, means metabolism is the combination of anabolism and catabolism. Okay, so metabolism, how a drug is break down. Okay, break down in the bio environments, how it is absorbed and how it is delivered. Okay, because there are several routes is available, like oral drugs or intravenous drugs. In other sites is also available for taking a drug. Okay, so all the studies is done in these areas. Okay, so this area is also associated in to the pharmacodynamics. Okay, pharmacokinetics, pharmacology, and biomedical analysis. Okay, so all these areas is included in the pharmaceutical chemist. Okay, so mainly actually what happened here, candidates is confused that what is pharmaceutical chemistry. There are several students I have in C that they will enter, means they will get admission in MSc or other related fields. After that, if they don't know what is pharmaceutical chemistry, suppose that any student, if they don't know about that field and they will enter, then if they have no interest, then there is no meaning of that. Okay, so career will be affected here. Okay, so first of all you should be know deeply regarding the any branch, either they may be pharmaceutical or industrial. So first of all, if your interest is present, then you should be enter in this field. Okay, so continue, we will going to continue here. So again we will, the pharmaceutical chemistry also discuss the drug chemistry. Okay, quality assurance, how the drug is means quality, how you can improve the drug quality. Okay, metabolism, pharmacology, analytical techniques, means spectroscopy, you should be know the skills, you should be have like spectroscopy, how a drug, how a new compound is characterized. Okay, and the disease, how you can cure and remedies for any diseases. Okay, so all these areas regarding the pharmaceutical chemistry. Okay, so pharmaceutical chemistry leads to career. If you talk about the career, then there are several pharmaceutical companies is available, biotechnological companies is also present, and drug development and other research facilities is available. Okay, so all these areas regarding the pharmaceutical chemistry, means a pharmaceutical chemistry can get in enter in these fields for career prospects. Okay, educational qualification key, if you talk about educational qualification, then first of all you should gain a bachelor degree of science, and it is regarding the chemistry, you should chemistry are is related to sciences, like that chemical engineering, biochemistry, organic chemistry, and other pharmacology. Okay, so the means the field if you want to enter to get admission in PG regarding the pharmaceutical chemistry, then your bachelor degree should be related to chemistry. Okay, so after that you can get a master degree, okay, in pharmaceutical chemistry. Okay, so if you talk about the what is required skills, so first of all you should understanding how to purify and identify products, how to analyze and identify different compounds, how to understand biological functions, okay, and process of drug works and communication, okay, in order to report the results of their research. Okay, so all the skills you should be gained in a better way. After that you can get a better career, okay, in pharmaceutical industries. Okay, so these skills is very important for you if you are going to get admission in pharmaceutical chemistry. Okay, so if you talk about discovering the field of pharmaceutical chemistry, so here they will discuss actually a lab present in the New York. Okay, so in which scientists synthesize 1,40,000 molecules. Okay, so it is the drug discovery for finding a better drug component. They first of all they synthesize 1,40,000. You can understand how it is tough. Okay, in which 30 molecule going to biological screening. Okay, so it is very means hard work. Okay, hard and skill based degree you can say, in which you should be uh, better way to understand skills first of all, then you can enter in this. Okay, so in this the other studies is also done how the drug is act. Okay, so it is x-ray crystallography, importance is given for x-ray crystallography, how a drug and enzyme drug is how a drug acts to the enzyme. Okay, because receptor is present and drug receptor when combined together, a, a response is created, a stimulating response is created. Okay, so it is all about the pharmaceutical chemistry. And if you talk about the career aspects, okay, so there are several fields is available. Either you can enter the pharmaceutical chemistry jobs or synthetic pharmaceuticals or analytical pharmaceuticals. Actually these are two branches of pharmaceutical chemistry: synthetic pharmaceutical and analytical pharmaceuticals. So in synthetic pharmaceutical you should be know about in this branch, new drugs and products is synthesized in a cost effective way. Actually cost effective way means there are several drug components available and they are very costly, so a normal patient cannot purchase it. Okay, so these pharmaceutical chemists they synthesize any drug molecule in a very low cost, so by which any persons can purchase this. Okay, so it is a very valuable parameter taken by the pharmaceutical chemist. Okay, analytical pharmaceutics means you should be understand how a drug is characterized. Suppose that any drug is synthesized, then there will be ability to characterize it. Okay, means this drug is uh, real or not. Okay, okay, so it is all about. So it is the other skill is also required that you have a good written and verbal communications between the team. Okay, and okay, so it is all about. Okay, so if you want to get admission pharmaceutical chemistry, then you should be know about that. Okay, so it is my lecture. Okay, so if you want to get, if you have interest in chemistry as well as biochemistry, okay, then you should be interested in this branch. Okay, and if you have no interest, then there is an then you should enter other branches. Okay, so it is my suggestion, if you want to enter in this, then your skills should be very clear. Okay, like drug development and their discovery, spectroscopic, and your English should be better, means communication should be better. Okay, so it is all about the pharmaceutical chemistry. So okay, so if you want to get admission, then first of all you can get a bachelor degree related to chemistry background. After that you can enter the master degree. Okay, so thank you for all watching this video, and please if you gain any extra knowledge regarding this, then please subscribe my channel. Okay, so thank you.